What's not to enjoy about earning money online simply by pressing a button and viewing a video stream? So, I'm going to show you in a moment how to make money online just by watching videos like this. So, here's how much money you can make simply by watching a single video. In the United States, you can make $3, which means you can make $15 if you watch 5 videos. You may make $60 just by watching 5 videos on YouTube. You can also get $150 by watching 20 videos. If you watch 50 videos, you can earn $200. There are literally hundreds of thousands of people right now that are able to make money online simply by visiting our website and watching videos. You can start earning money online for free and from any location in the world if you have a mobile phone and no prior online earning experience. So please pay attention because I'll teach you how to sign up for a free account and which videos will pay you the most money in the following sections. On top of that, I'll walk you through every step of the process so you may start making money and receive payments as soon as today. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first website I'm going to show you is called Twitch TV. Go into your browser and type that in. Click on the first result that comes up. Twitch is a video live streaming service, but mainly focuses on video game live streaming, including broadcasts of professional esports tournaments. The service also provides other types of content such as music broadcasts and in real life streams. Twitch was founded in 2011 and it has been the most popular live video streaming service for video games in the United States. There were over 3 million broadcasters per month and approximately 50 million active users each day as of February 2020. Twitch Interactive, a division of Amazon.com, is in charge of running the channel. Now, first things first, I want you to sign up for a Twitch account. Just click on the sign up button on the upper right side of the page. Fill out the necessary details like your username, password, and your birthday. You will be required to input your mobile number or your email address and then click sign up. Now that you have established your Twitch account, I want you to click on this browse button right here on the upper left side of the web page. You can go through the different videos that are now accessible for viewing on this website. Aside from gaming videos, the site offers IRL in real life videos, music, sports, and creative videos. However, we will only be focusing on this gaming video since it is very much popular right now. The name of this game is called Fortnite. Just type in the Twitch search bar right here and click enter. Upon clicking this, you will be directed to the Fortnite page. As you can see, it has over 82 million followers and receives approximately 71,000 views. It is undeniably real popular. Now, what exactly is this Fortnite phenomenon that has over 82 million followers? Fortnite is a fully free online game in which players compete to be the last person standing in Battle Royale. They may also join forces to create their own creative games, and that is why it's very popular because it is a multiplayer game. Now, when you scroll down the Fortnite Twitch page, you'll be able to see all of the videos that we can watch and use to earn money online using the next website that I'll be introducing to you. I'd like you to open a new tab and search for this OKE.io. This website is a completely free application that allows you to make short links for which you will be compensated if you create an account. And in this way, you may now earn money while managing and securing your links from the comfort of your own home. This website has generated over 5 million shortened links and has around 7 million clicks on these links. They too have a large following of around 600,000 users. Additionally, they accept a number of other payment methods including PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin, and bank transfer, among others. Just imagine how much they have compensated people who use this website that made shortened links. Now, to get started, we should create an account. I want you to click the sign up button on the upper right side of the web page, and then you will be sent to a new page that will require you to fill out your details. This includes your username and your email address, and of course your password. After that, click on the I am not a robot box for verification and then click submit. And then you are done. We may now begin earning money. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Having established your Oki.io account, you will be brought to your profile. As you can see, you still have zero balance since we haven't started yet on shortening URLs. Now we will have to return to the Twitch TV page and search for 3 Fortnite videos. If you have already chosen the 3 videos, I want you to copy the videos link by clicking on this button right here and copying the URL of this particular video. Once you have obtained the URL, return to Oki.io and paste the link into the box right here. This website will automatically assist you in shortening this link into a much shorter acceptable link. Now that you have the 3 shortened links of the Fortnite videos, the next thing that I want you to do is copy or download the script that I've made. Now, what is this script is all about? This script will be your guide on what to post on forums or groups that will get people to click your shortened links. If you have already a copy of the script, you can see that it contains the game's descriptions, and also it is where you will be pasting your generated short links. And then you will be earning money in no time. However, keep in mind that the price that you receive will vary depending on where the people who click your links are located. I'd like you to go to this payout rates area right here if you want to find out what the payout rates are. To illustrate, if someone from Australia clicks on your link, you will be able to earn $5. If someone from the United States is more likely to click your link, you will be gaining $4, and so on. As I have mentioned a while ago, we are to post the script that I have given you in forums and groups to be able to reach out to more people with the same interest. But the question now is where? The website that I'll be showing you is called PC Gamer Forums. I'd like you to visit that website, forums.pcgamer.com, which is a well-known and popular community where people discuss a variety of gaming topics, including Fortnite videos. One of the reasons I enjoy this forum is because it's fully free and available from anywhere in the world. There's a lot of dialogues with individuals talking about video games in the background. The general gaming forum has now over 39,000 messages and 1,400 threads. What I want you to do now is type the word Fortnite into the search field on the website and hit enter key. Several results will come up. If you click on this link, for example, it will take you to the website where you can see that they are creating a fairly simple piece that is gaining a lot of attention. This forum is a fantastic place to copy and paste the script and share it with others who are also members of the community. By pointing people to your link and based on the country they are from, you can earn money online. The greater the number of people who click on your link, the more money you can earn online. That is exactly how all of the people who visit our website are able to make such a substantial amount of money online. Indeed, this is the precise method by which all of these people from all over the world are able to make money online, often hundreds of dollars simply by sharing a video link like the one on this page. You can do this over and over and earn more. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.